Yes, I dropped the bolt in the pan because the oil is extremely hot and I don't feel like doing the little method where you hold it real tight and then undo it and then like at the last second you pull it away because you still get stuff on your hands. And like I said, the oil is really hot because I just came from home. So I'll just grab a magnet, run it through the pan, grab it out of the pan and be done with it. That way I don't have to get oil all over my hands. So yeah. So don't get too excited with the 200 being in the garage because we're not going to be doing the grill on it yet. Obviously I needed to finish the grill because I need to finish these and then actually mount this to the grill, and then I want to put another piece behind here, but that's not right now. But yes, I do need to do this, and like I said before in one of my other videos, this thing got beat up this winter, so I'm gonna actually do it the right way this time and prep it a lot better. But like I said, I'm not finished with it, and that was just to get me through. But just gonna change oil and then get this thing out of here, and then I'm gonna pull my ram in, and I want to get the front end off of the bump stops because it's getting really annoying driving that thing. What? Because it drives like a 3500 because its suspension's so rough in the front because there's no travel. So, but I do have these bump stops that I ordered for the front. So I got just these little guys. So I'm gonna cut off the factory ones and then put these ones on. And that'll be after I change the oil. That's the part number. So nothing fancy, it's just a universal bump stop. Put those in there, put those in the front, and then the front should ride nicer. And then I also have to do the blocks for the rear. So I have new U-bolts and 1.5-inch blocks and all the hardware associated with that. And then there's a few more things in here, but we'll do that later. Okay, I lied. I'm not gonna finish it in this video or anything like that, but I got bored while I was waiting for the oil to drain out of the car. So I took the grill off. So that's the thing. All I did was take the grill off. You can see how bad that got beat up, but that's, you know, that's because I didn't actually like prep this good at all. I literally just slapped this thing together in that last video I made. But I went through and I cleaned all the old glue off because I'm gonna JB weld it this time instead of using like Gorilla Glue or epoxy, like that clear epoxy crap. So what I need to do now is clean it all up. I'm actually going to JB weld this in there right away, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do these because I have to put like a mesh behind here, and then plastic weld that mesh into here, and then I can do like bigger chunks, then come back in here and then trim it down, and then take that plastic that I have and then shove it in there and then make it look all nice, and then sand it down and then paint it and then be done with this. And then I'm also with this grate, I'm gonna do the same thing with this grate. I'm gonna JB weld that in there. A couple little bugs on there. But I do need to paint this as well. So, cause this was black. So, but I would have to sandblast this thing to prep it, but it's gotten sandblasted by itself just by being on the front of the car. So it should be pretty coarse now. I'm probably just gonna take a wire brush to it and get all the bugs and all that kind of jazz off there, just so I'm not painting over bug guts and whatnot. So we'll do that. But I did hear that the oil is done dripping, so we'll finish the oil change and then get this thing out of here because I can work on the grill with it not in the car. So we'll get this out of here and then get my truck in, and then maybe we'll continue on this. I don't know. Yeah, maybe this will all be in its own little video. We'll see. I'm not sure. Oh, I backed into that. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that's nice and safe. Oh, Jesus. And then now I'm going to start it, let it run for a couple seconds, blah, 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 oil change stuff, etc., etc. So yeah, that's done. Don't need to watch me do the rest of it. All right, so that should be the end of this video. It's getting kind of long. This is next day post. Yeah, because while I was editing it, I noticed it was getting real long and blah blah whatever. So 200 grill off. We're gonna start that. Chassis disassembly, which I noticed that I tagged the what you call it, thumbnails wrong. So I fixed the thumbnail. Now the next video that's coming out is going to be the correct thumbnail and blah blah whatever, because I posted a turbo setup for my RT. That was actually the wrong. That was more of a chassis disassembly video versus the turbo setup. But now I have the turbo setup ready to go, or video ready to go, and then the correct thumbnail will be on that one. I did change the thumbnail up a little bit just to see if, you know, people will actually watch it, not think it's the same video as they watched before. But that should more or less be it. I already started on my next video, so that one will probably come out shortly as well. So until next time, I'll see you all later, and peace out.